Hey guys, Emily Binder here. I'm the founder of WealthVoice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on an Alexa skill on Amazon, why this matters, how you can use it to optimize for voice search for SEO, and the best way to ask for reviews. So let's get into it. I am on Amazon.com and I'm searching under the Alexa Skills department. I'm just choosing a search term, investing. The default sort is by featured. I like to go into sort by average customer review. This is what a lot of people do when they're looking for higher quality toothbrushes, Alexa skills, batteries, microphones, whatever they're buying. So you'll notice that my skill, actually Voice Marketing with Emily Binder, which is my mini podcast / Flash Briefing, is ranking number 1. It has 18 5-star reviews. This has taken time. It doesn't happen overnight. And you get reviews like this a couple ways. Quality content, remind people how to leave a review, ask for them. Don't do it too much. Once in a while is good. And when you ask for a review, or when you want to leave a review, here's where you do it. Click that number next to the stars. Did you see I clicked here where it says 18? It's a little bit of small font, but that's where you get it. This is the review page. See this URL? That's what you want to send people to when you say, hey, could you leave us a review? It helps others find the show. Then you can leave a review here. You can see the other reviews as well. One of the reasons that this is ranking so high is that I do have 18 5-star reviews, but they're keyword rich reviews. They didn't tell people what to say. I just kind of got lucky, and look at the kind of words in here, like cutting edge marketing, voice first, digital marketing strategies, Emily, my name. So these are all keywords that I would want to optimize for. And the reason it comes up when you search investing is actually that's one of my keywords in the background from my basically meta description of my skill, because I do talk about investing. Most of my clients are in the investing space in some way. So if we were to search, let's do fitness, totally different industry. And I'm going to search under Alexa Skills. Remember, you want to put that in or you're going to have a lot of mixed results with books and other products. This is sorting by featured. What you'll see here is, I don't even see any reviews on these. It's not competitive here, guys. None of these are very compelling. Amazon's featuring them, but what if we search by, okay, this one, meditation jukebox, has 14. So these are showing up at the top, right? Full body stretch, great. You'll see that there's still not that much competition from recognizable brands, which is so surprising because this is your hands-free. This is like having your .com in the early days of the internet. Merrell has a, let's see, Merrell skill, good. Michelob Ultra has a running skill. So the point here is, this is Merrell's homepage, right? Open Merrell, ask them to find a trail near me. Tell me about hiking trails in Grand Rapids. These are the kind of interactions you can do on this skill. You enable it by clicking this button. One more thing, you guys have heard me talk about the quick link a bunch of times. This is a quick link. You get one of these when you subscribe to WealthVoice at wealthvoice.ai. You can request a demo. It is the best and easy way to market your voice app and to get reviews. You can see my other video below. I'll link in the description and in the video linked above during this video, but see how I just clicked on the 7? It takes you straight to that review page. PlanCorp has 7 5-star reviews. So case in point, look what happens. If I search investing, because that's one of their keywords, main offerings, they're a financial advisor, PlanCorp's the 3rd result. That's it. So this feeds the algorithm, and it's just the beginning. What's going to happen with all this is Amazon is scraping, gathering data, figuring out which content works. And then what happens is over time, you're ranking higher and higher. Keep playing on Google, keep doing social media. This isn't to replace it, but this is the next evolution of where people are searching and where you can start to rank early. It's like getting yourname.com early 2000s, which it's going to be unavailable now, but it's kind of available here. It's pretty cool. Search functionality, very strong. Get reviews, ask for reviews. Remember, to recap, when you want a review, send them to that review page, and then someone can write a review. Amazon usually approves legit reviews after about a day or 2. You'll get an email notification when your review gets published. They have to be careful because there are sometimes spam reviews out there, but they're really cracking down on that. So they do need to be legit. Definitely get reviews on your skill. If you're on WealthVoice, or even if you're just getting a flash briefing out there on your own DIY, good for you. That's cool too. Reviews are important. They're just like reviews on any other site. This is just the way that Amazon is going to know that your skill is high quality. So let's see, could we do real estate? This works for all industries. Any industry can be on WealthVoice, by the way. We have mostly financial advisors because I just love that industry. But if you're in any industry, we could build your WealthVoice skill. and get you ranked, reviewed, and voice enabled by your brand name invocation phrase. Just request a demo at wealthvoice.ai. This is really neat stuff. And look, it's 1,000 results for real estate. It's early, but everybody's coming in because I've been launching this since 2017. And every year it's like 10x, 20x the number of skills and people that are starting to jump on it. So there's still time to be early. I would love to talk with you and show you a demo, wealthvoice.ai. Till next time, see you guys. Thanks for watching.